Hello children, good morning. Children, today in English we are going to take up poem 7, defamation. Defamation means insulting someone. Okay, in what we call unit 7, that means in this lesson we have seen the child labor, we have seen how the owner of the tea stall was insulting the little boy. The boy was orphanage, he was orphan. He wasn't having any parents or guardians to look after him, and he was working in a tea stall where his owner used to insult him always. Okay, he used to make him do lots of work. So in this poem, poem 7, we are going to come across of a boy. This boy, maybe he is also orphan, and how the people are treating him. But we, being educated, we should never insult anyone irrespective of their situation. Okay, we have to always try to help those kind of people and those kind of kids. Okay children, now every one of you all open page number 33. This poem is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore is a well-known writer, poetess, author and all. Okay, so his poems and the scriptures as well as the stories will make us so it will make us believe that how the world is outside, apart from our home, how the people are out in the world, how they are mean towards the other people, the people who are of their low caste of their own self. Okay children, so let's see. Why are those tears in your eyes, my child? How horrid of them to be always scolding you for nothing. So he is telling why there are tears in your eyes, the little child. This poet is talking to a little boy. Why there are tears in your eyes, and how horrid of them to be always scolding you for nothing. And how the people, why are they scolding you for nothing? You have done nothing harm to them, though they are scolding you. You have stained your fingers and face with ink while writing. Is that why they call you dirty while you are writing? Any of the child, while they are writing something, if accidentally the ink have stained their clothes or stained their face or stained their fingers and all, for that people start calling them, you are so dirty. But that's not like that, right? See, the boy is neat and clean with his mind, with his heart. But the things what he is doing, as he is very small, he is very young. So of course it happens. It will happen with even the elders, even with the adults. O5. O5 means when we are showing our gratitude towards the anger, expressing our anger and disgust. That means our angerness on someone. O5. Would they dare to call the full moon dirty because it has smudged its face with ink? If it's on the full moon day, we see a bright moon, a big moon, right children? So do you think the moon is in plain color? So it also when we look at the moon, we can see some hills and some kind of smudges on its face, right? So those are nothing but from the land we can see that moon has something dirty on its face. But those are the reflection. Those are the things which are reflected from our earth. There are many hills and mountains on the surface of the moon. So from far they look like there is something, some hardy, some blacky structure or some patches on its face. So though moon also have that patches on its face, do we really call the moon dirty? No. When we are not blaming the nature, then why we should blame to the children? Why should we blame to the people? For every little trifle they blame you, my child. They are ready to find fault for nothing. For every little mistake you are doing, they are ready to scold you. But they are ready to find fault in you for nothing. You tore your clothes while playing. Is that why they call you untidy? While playing, our clothes will be torn. Okay, when we are playing some touching games or some running games, in those kind of games, our clothes which we are wearing, it will be accidentally torn. Yes or no, children, when we are pulling each other. So that's just a game. We have to take it very lightly. For that, the people will call you are untidy. Oh, fine. What would they call an autumn morning? Then if they are calling you untidy, then what they will call for an autumn morning? Autumn is the season when all the leaves from the trees will, all the trees will shed their leaves. They'll stand without having the leaves. Are we scolding them? We are not, because it's nature. Then why should we scold these guys? Oh, 5. What would they call an autumn morning that smiles through its ragged clouds? Ragged clouds means without having anything on it. Take no heed of what they say to you, my child. Take no heed means don't pay attention to these kind of words. This poet is telling to this guy, please don't pay attention what ill they are speaking to you. They make a long list of your misdeeds. They always, these guys who are scolding to the small children for nothing, for their mischievous things, they'll be having a long list to point out you have done that, you have done this. But we should not pay attention. But we should listen what they wanted to tell to us. If our parents are saying something to us, they want us to become more civilized. They want us to learn good things. It is not like parents want us to, they are always finding fault in us. I am talking only about the children who stay on the roads without having a back support, without having their parent support. Everybody knows how you love sweet things. Is that why they call you greedy? If you like sweet things, that doesn't mean if you are eating much sweet, that doesn't mean that the people start calling you greedy. You eat so many things, you are so greedy. That's not the thing, right? Oh, 5. What then would they call us who love you? So if they are calling you greedy for the more sweets you are eating, then what they are going to call us who are loving you? Because we love you like anything. We love all the children like anything. So are we greedy? No, we are not. But we are loving them as human beings. So we have to understand this thing. It is a very sweet little message, children. We should never discriminate and we should never compare ourselves with anyone. Okay. So I'll repeat the poem again. You guys, after learning, record your voice, record your reciting and send it to me. Why those tears in your eyes, my child? How horrid of them to be always scold you for nothing. You have stained your fingers and face with ink while writing. Is that why they call you dirty? Oh, 5. Would they dare to call the full moon dirty? Because it has smudged its face with ink. For every little trifle, they blame you, my child. They are ready to find fault for nothing. You tore your clothes while playing. Is that why they call you untidy? Oh, 5. What would they call an autumn morning that smiles through its ragged clouds? Take no heed of what they say to you, my child. They make a long list of your misdeeds. Everybody knows how you love sweet things. Is that why they call you greedy? Oh, 5. What would they call us who love you? Okay, children, this poem is written by Rabindranath Tagore, as I already told you about him. So read the poem, recite it and record your voice and send. So related to this poem, will not be having any notes. Get back with the next lesson. Okay, children, bye-bye.